Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.